Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, almost weekend. Thursday, September the 28th. Almost end of the month. 2023. Already solved two puzzles: 3 stars puzzle and a 4-star Sudoku. 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku. This one is definitely a 4 stars. Need to think very hard. And we have 2 puzzles left. The 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7178. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in the second column, so the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Time for comparing. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.